President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today paid floral tribute to former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his 100th birth anniversary at the Sadai Matal Memorial in Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to educationist and social reformer Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya on his birth anniversary today. National Highways Authority of India has taken a pilot project to provide cattle shelters along the national highways to enhance road safety and avoid animal-related accidents. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar will begin his 2-day visit to Medak and Hyderabad in Telangana from today. ISRO is gearing up to end the year on a high note with the launch of SpaceX mission, the launch of 2 small satellites to demonstrate docking in space.